And then verse 21, he says, that they all may be one, as you, Father, are in me and I in you, that they also may be one in us, that the world may believe that you sent me. So, verse 21, Jesus wants unity for us. This is the second time in this very prayer that he prays for unity. But we see so much division. We are all different members in one body. Not everyone is going to do what Paul did and spread the gospel so far. We're not all called to be Paul. You know, God takes our strengths and our weaknesses and he uses them for his purpose. You know, I see it on TikTok all the time where people are arguing and hating each other for different views on the word of God. But that's something that Jesus did not want from us. That's not something he wanted from us. But we should be able to unite on our foundational beliefs. We should be able to unite on these things. But instead, there's just so much division, and this is not what Jesus prayed for. And then verse 23, we have, I and them, and you and me, that they may be made perfect in one, and that the world may know that you have sent me, and have loved them as you have loved me. So, verse 23, the unity, he keeps speaking of this unity of love and common identity in him. This is the unity that he's speaking of. That common identity in him and love. It is through this unity that the world may know that the Father has sent Jesus. So, this is why this unity is so important, because through our unity, the world will know that the Father sent Jesus. Now, this love and unity can be difficult because some people will justify the divisiveness and sharp criticisms by calling it love. But on the same token, sometimes there needs to be this type of correction. So, you know, sometimes Christians are more harsh to each other than we are outsiders. So, people are looking in and they're like, man, these people are crazy. Why would I want to be a part of that? And we see that all the time where people stop going to church because of what they call nowadays church hurt. And that's something that just it's all because of that. And then because of this, we point the finger at each other and we say it's your fault. No, it's your fault. All the while the world is watching us. The world is watching us as believers. We've talked about that before where the world looks at us in our difficult times to see, what are you going to do? How are you going to react?